Okay, we are going to go over how to use the slope formula. So looking at page 3 in your 4.5 to 4.4 to 4.5 packet. So number 2 tells you to find the slope of the line that passes through the point 4, 3 and 5, negative 1. So the first thing we do is we label each point. We label this x sub 1 and this y sub 1. This x sub 2, this y sub 2. The slope formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now we just substitute. So m equals negative 1 minus 3 over 5 minus 4. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is negative 1 minus 3. X sub 2 minus x sub 1 is 5 minus 4. So we get negative 4 over 1. Okay, now let's do number 3. Number 3 gives you 2 points. 3, 5, negative 2, 4. We label the first point x sub 1, y sub 1, the second point x sub 2, y sub 2. We write the slope formula. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Then I substitute. M equals 4 minus 5 over negative 2 minus 3. I did y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, this equals negative 1 over negative 5. When they're both negative, we simplify to 1/5. Okay, number 4. We have negative 5, 4, 2, 1. This is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now, we're just going to substitute. So m equals y sub 2 is 1 minus y sub 1, 4, over x sub 2, 2, and minus a negative is plus. So this becomes negative 3 over 7. Now, negative 3/7 is equivalent to 3 over negative 7, and it's also equivalent to just negative 3/7. Okay, now, go ahead and try 5 and 6 on your own. See if you can do it. And turn the video back on after you've done it and see if you get it right. So number 5 is negative 2, 4, 5, negative 3, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. M equals negative 3 minus 4 over 5 plus 2, negative 7 over 7 equals negative 1. Then number 6, 9, negative 3 over 7, 7, 8, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. M equals 8 minus negative 3 is plus 3 over 7 minus 9, and we have 11 over negative 2, which is the same as negative 11 halves. Okay, now we're going to do 2 special cases. So for number 7, we have 5, 2, 5, negative 2. X sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Negative 2 minus 2 over 5 minus 5 equals negative 4 over 0. Now, if 0 is underneath, it is undefined. So this is undefined. You write m equals undefined. Remember, if it's underneath, it's undefined. Okay, Now the next one is 0, 4, negative 3, 4. I do m equals, label my points, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, 0 over negative 3. I can't leave it like that. I have to simplify it to m equals 0. So now m equals 0 is a HOI. It's a horizontal line, and the O in HOI stands for 0 slope. Number 7, where m was undefined, was a VUX. The U in VUX stands for undefined, and it's a vertical line. Okay, so this is the end of the video to find the slope.